everyone. In today's video I'm using a little kitchen sponge. It's got a little sponge for a handle, and then it's got like the scrubber area on one side of it. I was actually thinking about turning it into two and using this side as a sponge design also, but I want to use this side today for creating kind of a distressed look on some of my pages with just some fluid acrylics. So I have a couple pages with some color on them, and then I just have some pages that are blank that I'll add a layer of color on. But I think I'm going to start just with some beige and some white, and I just have my fluid acrylics so they're nice and thin. And I don't want too much paint on my sponge because I don't want to completely cover up all of the nice color, but I want just enough to just get some of that texture on there. So I'm going to just do a little bit on here, and it's actually, because of how fibrous it is, it's not covering the whole sponge face, so I really like that. So it's not going to cover up everything, but oh yeah, that is just a really easy way to get some texture on there. I think I want more white for the next one. Really easy to, especially if you're layering some pages or layering some colors. Going to wipe just a little bit of my paint off, and then let's do, yeah. And then if you want some areas to have more, and just rub it a little bit and get more of that paint on there. But yeah, so I'm going to add a little bit of color to this. And I have this I found, so if you're looking for books, check your local library and see if they have a used book sale. I got a whole bunch of books for $2 a piece, and this one was a huge page, or a huge book, and the pages are just amazing. This is the first time I'm using one of them, but I definitely have some ideas for some artwork with these pages as like the main backgrounds. So, okay, so I put a little turquoise and a little bit of my green on there. And we'll see. Oh, wow. So actually turning it in a circular pattern is creating a really pretty design. Wow. Okay, want a little bit more paint. I really like the way that turned out. Was not expecting that with using it. Okay. Yeah, oh, those colors are just amazing. Oh, that's going to be a fun background to use. I think the next one I'm going to add some more turquoise. I'm not going to add any more of the green. I want to get some of that turquoise in there, but those circular patterns are really pretty too. Do a little more turquoise. Get that on here. Okay, that one is so pretty. when that turquoise and that green mix, it's also just creates a really beautiful shade. But I like how some areas there's more coverage and then less coverage, but you can see that circular pattern on these. I'm gonna do one more, and actually I'm gonna use some of this thinner paper. I do love this. And what colors, how much paint do I have left on here? Not a whole lot, but I'm gonna create some. I'm gonna leave that one as is. This almost reminds me of, like, you could turn this into like rose shapes with the way that you get, excuse me, just some of that pattern. So you could definitely, like, red or pink or oranges with this would be really pretty. So maybe we'll try it again and do something like that. Gonna do one more, and I'm gonna add, I have this aqua green. We're gonna add a little bit of that. Maybe mix the aqua and the turquoise a little bit. Yep, okay. Yeah, I think, again, just finding all these random items, this, I was just so focused on that texture from the scrubber that I wasn't even thinking about how you could make other designs with this. And this circular pattern is just really interesting. But I think you could use this a lot of different ways. Like I said, I might try this side of it just because it's a nice flat surface that you could use for some more shapes. You could always trim it. You could cut the handle off and then cut this into some other shapes. But yeah, this side is working really, really well. So again, dollar store find, scrubber, works really great. So I really liked this one. But I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you tomorrow.